Hi, this is your voice projection warm-up for soul singing. Now, when I say soul singing, I mean soul stylistics. I don't mean that smoky, raspy voice that, you kind of, some people relate to soul singing. Now, if you do have a voice that's consistently croaky and raspy, and you feel like, oh, that sounds kind of cool, then I would advise you to go and check it out, because it could be that you've got some vocal damage there and you don't want to be making it worse. I also do have a video that will help you to clear that rasp and croakiness, so that then once your voice is working well and it's safe and it's healthy, then you can work on putting rasp on at will. So you can add that embellishment there whenever you like. Now, if you're serious about singing, I do recommend taking my free 5-day singing course. You can find the link in the pinned comments or in the description. All you need to do is click that, put your details in, and I'll send it directly to your inbox. And of course, remember to hit the like button, hit subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you haven't already. Thank you to everyone who has subscribed so far. So let's get started. We're going to start, as always, with a lip bubble. And we're going to sing. Here we go. Keep going. And back down. Next we have the tongue trill. If you find it difficult to do either a lip bubble or a tongue trill, do stick with it, even if it's breaking up as you do it. The more that you do it, the more consistent you are, the more that you practice, just like everything else, you'll get it eventually. Here we go. There you go, see? Keep going. Our next exercise is going to help you to create that full, round, nice, soulful sound. And the sound is whoa, whoa. And it's more like, it's kind of you make it at the front of your mouth and it's not like whoa, okay? Try not to do it here. You don't want to feel anything here in the front of your throat. Whoa, it's right like here. Whoa, whoa. Okay, so it sounds like this. Whoa, 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 whoa. Here we go. Whoa, 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 whoa. It's going to get loud. Whoa, 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 whoa. But not shouty. Whoa, 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 whoa. 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 And back down. Whoa, 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 whoa. Last one. The next exercise is yeah. And again, it's made at the front of your face here, of your mouth, sorry. And we say yeah. So think of it more as saying it, speaking it, than singing it, because we don't want yeah. No. Yeah. Directly on the note at the top and directly to the note at the bottom. Yeah. And we're not adding any vibrato. We're going to do that later in the video. So nice and straight. Yeah. And that's what's going to give you the control. Here we go. And yeah. 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 Back down. Breathe. And relax. The next exercise uses the word no, and we just sing down the scale. No, 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 no. And again, we're not singing no, 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 no. No. No, 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 no. Nice and straight for control. Here we go. 5, 6, 7. And no, 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 no. 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 Keep going. We are powering through these. The next one is wow. And again, it's more of a say than a sing. Wow, 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 wow. Here we go. Wow, 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 wow. 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 Should feel a bit more warmed up now. Have more control of your voice. Wow, 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 wow. Wow, 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 wow. Wow, 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 wow. Keep going. The next exercise is going to help you build and develop a beautiful rolling vibrato. And the sound is puh, puh, with a P for peanut. And we sing. Puh, 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 puh. And we're doing this from our diaphragm, not here. We're not doing the sheep sound. Puh, no. Puh. Okay, here we go. 5, 6, 7, and puh, 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 puh. Puh, 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 puh. Puh, 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 puh. And back down. Keep going. For the last exercise, we're going to add vibrato intermittently. Yeah. Okay, so you've practiced your vibrato in the previous exercise. You're going to use it in this exercise. So it's more like what we would do when we sing inside a song. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and yeah. Keep going. Let's go a little bit further. One more. Should be feeling really warmed up now. Last one. So there is your projection. So there is your voice projection warm up for soul singing. So I hope you've enjoyed it. Do remember to like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell if you haven't already. I'll see you in the next video. Stay hydrated. Ciao!